What's up, guys? It's your girl Dad, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're gonna just be doing a review on this $20 Polygel kit. This is a little ASMR I wanted to just stick in there, guys. But yes, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and a review on this $20 Polygel kit, guys. But first, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I do have 2 giveaways coming up. You don't want to miss that. Also, once you're subscribed, comment down below that you're subscribed so that I can know you're entered in the giveaway. But let's get right into this video. Here's the manual. One thing I like about the manual is it tells you about the warranty that they have. Also, it shows you how to use the polygel, and it shows you designs for like each one of the nail arts that they included. And I thought that was really nice, because if you don't really know how to use something, you possibly won't use it, or you might use it wrong. So if you look through this manual, guys, you'll know how to use everything that they sent in the kit, which I thought was pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, for this kit to be $20, guys, it came with a lot, but I'll let you guys just watch and see. Okay, so this kit came with 3 different polygels: clear, white, and a pink color. Nice size little tubes. Came with a cleanup brush, a file, in which I'm gonna say that's really the only thing you need for polygel is a file. Gold foil, silver foil. You get butterfly glitter, regular colors of glitter in 6 different colors, some chunky, some fine. Rhinestones, you get the crystal and the AB color. Nail tape gives you a pretty abstract look when doing certain stuff. Forms, tweezers, dual forms, straight or curve, the shapes, rhinestones, and flames. This is the applicator brush that they included, and it looks pretty good quality, and it was easy to work with. It didn't get all messed up or anything like that. This is the lamp. It comes with 3 different settings plus the cord, and it includes a top coat, a matte coat, and a base coat. I thought that was cool to include a matte and a top. You get the slip solution and nail hardener also, which I thought was cool for them to send nail hardener. That was really nice. Okay, guys, so if I wanted to actually show you guys, how it was working with this polygel, and I can honestly say it was pretty easy for my first time. I'm not a person that should use dual forms because I don't really understand the concept of not pushing it down as much. I should have sized up a little bit so it could just sit flat on my nail, but that's fine. It was my first time using it. Next time I would just go in with forms or a tip. But the first thing that you need to do is prep your nails, of course. Then you before you start putting on your polygel, you want to make sure you put a layer of base coat down on your nails or it will not stick. I decided to use the white, so that's what I went with. And I was just going for a little short look, nothing long. I just wanted you guys to see me actually working with the polygel. It's pretty easy to squeeze out. It's not crazy hard, and it's pretty easy to work with when you use your brush and the slip solution. But I would just recommend, if you're a beginner using polygel like myself, don't go in with a lot of slip on your brush. You really just need just a tad bit. It moves very effortlessly. You don't have to really do much to that. But if you see that it's kind of sticking or it's not moving, that's how you know you need to add more to your brush. But that's all, guys. If you're using dual forms, I would say size up a little bit so that when you push it on your nail, you don't have to push it down, because you guys will see that I had like a rim around the cuticle, and that was because I pushed it down and it spilled over on the side. But I thought the nails turned out pretty cool for it to be my first time actually doing it. But I'm just, squeeze a little bit of polygel in the dual form, and I'm just working it to how I want it to be, and just kind of get in the habit of using a little bit, tiny bit of polygel at a time, because it does go a long way. So you just put it on your nail, lightly press it just a tad bit, but not worried that it's going to spill over. Once you get it on your nail, you want to go in and cure it. I did each finger at least 60 seconds just to get a full cure. So, yeah, do that. But just refer to your manual as far as how long to cure for. And once it came out the light, I just popped the top off, and it came off pretty easy. Okay, so once I had all the nails on, I did go in with my swipe to take the sticky layer off. Went in with my hand file first, started shaping, and I totally forgot that they included a file, so I used my own. But this file is pretty good quality. It's got a nice texture to it where you can get the job done. And I went in after that with my e-file to go around the cuticle, but I would recommend taking like either a ceramic bit or a cuticle bit, or like a fine sander band if you're going to use a sander band, because polygel is so easy to file, and it will thin out and mess up your whole nail. And that's kind of what I did. I kind of thinned it out a little bit too much around the edges, so that's why I just took the bling and went around the edges. But that's the thing about doing your own nails. You can make a mistake, but if it's kind of too late to go back, you can camouflage it by, just using nail art. But you do want to make sure you give your nails a good file and shape. So that's what I'm doing here, guys. Once I had them file and shaped the way I wanted to, I cleaned them off again. And then after that, I just went in with my Model 1's bling gel and applied it to each nail and did my rhinestones for each. And I did cure in between fingers, because when you're using bling gel, the stones will move. And that's why you want to kind of, work in a timely manner, or you'll keep having to fix them because they will slide. And that's pretty much it, guys. After I put the rhinestones on, I went in and took the sticky layer off once again and just kind of shined up my rhinestones. Went in with my top coat, and that was it. Oh, don't forget to buff the nail. But, guys, this is a pretty good quality kit for $20. I recommend this to anybody that's on a budget. And even if you're not on a budget, it's a great deal, guys. Like, honestly, I could spend a little more for a polygel kit, but I wanted to get something cheap and see if it would be quality. And I honestly, guys, I'll say I'll give this kit a 10. 1 out of 10, I'll give it a 10, because for this to be my first time working with it, I had no discrepancies other than not really knowing how to use the dual forms correctly. But it was a great kit, guys. Go get this kit if you're on a budget, or if you want to, start working with polygel. I think it's a great kit to do so. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss the 2 giveaways. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.